Good day everyone, I'm Josh McClellan with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install carpet strips and tiles. For this job, you'll need a couple tools. For this job, we'll be using a tape measure, a pencil, and a razor blade. The first thing we want to do is find the exact center point of our room. So we'll measure the width and the length of the room, and after we do that, we'll put an X on the floor. Some people like to chalk a line straight across each way so that they know they're running straight. So after you have your X on the floor here, we'll take our carpet and start right in the middle of the X. Make sure that you're running straight across the line both ways. Then you'll take and butt up the other ones right to it. Now, after you get these all laid, you can actually take what's called a carpet rake or just a broom and help broom these seams over so they kind of hide the seams a little bit. Now, when it comes to the walls, you have two ways to do this. You can take your tape measure and measure how big of a piece you want in there. It'll take a little bit longer, then you have to put a straight edge on your carpet and cut it. What I like to do is take my piece of carpet, put it where it's going to go here, and then fold it back into the wall. And then take your razor blade and cut right into the seam of the wall and the floor. That'll allow you to lay nice and flat there so you can end up hiding whatever's left with your trim. I'm Josh McClellan with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install carpet strips and tiles. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.